Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today what I'm going to show you is how I make my pork loin in my crock pot served with my cheesy potatoes. So let's get started. So it's almost 5 pounds of pork loin. The ingredients that you'll need is 1 packet of the onion soup mix, 3/4 cup of red wine, 1/2 cup of water, a tablespoon of garlic, and salt and pepper, and that's all you need. So what I'm going to do now is place this into my crock pot. I put the fat side down. So I have the fat side down in my crock pot. I'll place my crock pot on high, or you could leave it on low and cook it all day. And I'll let this cook for maybe about 4 hours. I'll check on it. I want to make sure that my pork is fully cooked. So now I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. I'll take my packet of the onion soup mix and I'll spread this all on top of the pork. I'll add a little bit of salt, probably about a teaspoon. A little bit of pepper, same with this, about a teaspoon. Now I'll take a tablespoon of chopped garlic and I'll place this into my crock pot. Spread it over the pork loin. Now I'll take my 1/2 cup of water, place that in. My 3/4 cup of red wine. I'll put my lid on and place my crock pot on high. Along with my pork loin, I am going to make my cheesy potatoes. I have my oven on 350. This is a 3-quart casserole dish. So I have probably about 6 potatoes, and I'm going to line them up. I cut them about 1/4 of an inch thick. So I'm just lining them up in my casserole dish. I diced a 1/2 an onion because it was a large onion, so I only used 1/2. So I'm just filling up the bottom of my casserole dish. And you'll bake these for about an hour. You want to make sure that the potatoes are nice and tender. Now I'll place my chopped onion on top. Just spread it around. I'll place about a tablespoon of garlic salt on top. I'm just eyeballing it. I'll do the same with the pepper, about a teaspoon. I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm pouring it over the potatoes, the onions. I'll add another cup, so that's 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. I'll place 12 ounces of the Fiesta blend cheese, which is a combination of cheeses. So I'll spread that on top. So you can see how nice these cheesy potatoes are going to be. Now I'll place some aluminum foil on top and place it in my 350-degree oven. I place the aluminum foil on top of my cheesy potatoes. I have my oven set on 350. So now I'll place the cheesy potatoes in my oven for about 30 minutes. Just stick a fork in the potatoes to make sure that they're nice and tender and that the cheese is melted. So into the oven it goes. I have the aluminum foil on top. Now I'll check on my cheesy potatoes. I'll see how they're doing. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'll check how my pork loin is doing. Ooh, does that smell good? It's coming along. Now I'll take my cheesy potatoes out of the oven. Look at how good that looks. I'll test one of the potatoes. It's nice and cheesy. This is really, really good. So now I'll put some on my plate along with my pork loin. Boy, does this smell good. I'll take some of the liquid, go on top. I'll take my pork loin out of the crock pot, and now I'll cut up a slice along with my cheesy potatoes. I'll take it out, put it on a plate, and slice into it. Doesn't that look good? So now I'll slice into it so you can see the inside. Look at how good that looks. I'll put a little on my plate along with my cheesy potatoes and give it a try. So now I'll give it a try. You don't even really need a knife. Look at how tender that is. That's good. Take a bite of the cheesy potato. Really delicious. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my cheesy potatoes and my pork loin. Give it a try. It's really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Deserves a second bite.